Happy Sunday, everyone! These are new $5 tickets from the Michigan Lottery for December of 2021. Blizzard Bucks went up to $500,000. I have these tickets. I hope they're lucky, 83 through 86, so let's go see. Looking for our bonus areas. It's just going to have the prize amount in there. Okay, now we're matching numbers, or we could get a snowflake for automatically or 10 times. And these numbers are pretty close together, which is kind of interesting. They really wanted to get a lot onto this ticket. Oops. Okay, nothing there. Let's keep going. Let's find a nice bonus. Okay, nothing there. Let's keep going. I don't know why I had to do that. Oh, we have 28. Nice. Very good. Okay, let's go see what 28 is. Oh, I want it to be 50 bucks at least, but I will take it. Let's have a back-to-back win. Yeah. There we go. Cold stuff. Oops. Sloppy scratching. Looks like no. Okay, so not very many wins on this one. Next week I will have the $10 and $20 tickets. Probably on Sunday I'll have the $20 one. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you later.